Ready. Aim. Ooh, too high. Well, you're doing better. You just take your time and aim. Pull back as hard as you can. Ooh, number 2. You got just one. That's pretty good. So you're supposed to hit one at a time, and then...
I did hit time.
You did perfect. All right, do another one.
Fine. 1. That's not 1. See, I hit 1.
Yeah, you hit number 2.
No, I hit 1.
Okay, yeah, you hit 1 down. You never will argue with him. He'll never be right. Oh, same spot.
Same ball.
Yep. Had it been there, it would have gone back up.
I did it myself.
Yeah, I guess, I don't know why the automatic's not doing it. Hit them all down. Maybe they have to all go down. There they go. Let them go. See, that they all have to go down because
There.
it doesn't think you're done until they're all down.
Yeah.
Okay, ready, set, aim. Who are you? Are you green arrow?
Yep.
Yeah.
How you been?
What'd you say? How I been? Ooh, you're getting good at number 2.
Take 2.
See, they're numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, and you got number 2. Now you gotta hit 1 and 3 and 4.
4.
Yeah, 1.
I did hit the 4.
You hit the number 2. 2.
2.
Yeah, the number 2's laying down.
Yeah.
Let me see what else you can hit. Woo! Everyone but 3. Oh, I guess that was good enough for it. Good job. Awesome. Yep. I think you did really good.
It's 3-5.
Yeah. It says you got 8 shots.
8 shot. Look. 3-5. 3-2. Look.
Perfect.
Huh? Good?
Uh-huh.
Where's Joey at?
You show him your skills? Okay, we'll go get him.
Joey not here?
We'll go get him. He's outside.
Okay.
All right.
Set.
That determination. Oh, too cute.